Keep going, boys. Keep going. Keep going. What's going on, boys?
We're chilling, buddy.
We're fucking ready to go for a rip.
Oh, fuck, I don't want no trouble, biker.
You better.
I don't want no trouble.
That's it, man. You ready to rip?
Right, bud?
You ready to rip? Oh, what are you guys doing? You guys are hopping on the same machine, or how's this working right now tonight?
Alex on that. I'm gonna
Alex
stay here
is driving.
until he.
All right, fucking. We got full.
Wait, you're staying here? You're not riding with the...
No, we can't have two people in there, bro.
You're not gonna ride on one of theirs?
Not enough fucking pressure in those tires, bud.
Gio's being a bitch. He's too scared to have someone on the back because he's an absolute pussy.
But Evan's right.
Not that I'm. No, I've never ridden two wheels, let alone sit on the back of two wheels. It's just not.
Are you sure?
And he says he's not the greatest, so I don't really want to fly off with his dirt bike. I'm not gonna lie.
We'll see. We'll see. At least we got it on film, right?
Boys,
so if he
Chef
does fuck
Boaz.
up, yeah.
Chef Boaz is gonna fill in for your boy Sebi.
That's it, man.
He's gonna take the old 200 and he's gonna rip that shit beyond his fucking.
Let's see what you got.
That's
Just hopefully you don't fucking hurt yourself today.
You know this is gonna be a fail.
Only thing is,
hey, relax. Don't
Andrew
just.
might have to help him start it. Not gonna lie.
Hey, ain't that the truth, man? This guy's not gonna know how to start shit. Look at you. You're all geared up, man. You got the Acer Bud, or what?
Acer Biss?
That's it, bud.
Fucking get her.
All right, well, you gonna do catwalks on this big gun or what?
Fuck no. Come
Oh
on.
man, come on. What is this? The Maritime Madness and the fucking Power Commander. This guy has 0 fucks, eh? Bye, Felicia. All right, let's get over there. Put it in 5th gear. Okay, watch this, boys.
It's in gear already.
You lift it.
Okay.
Lift it up.
Yeah.
And then run. When I say drop it, drop it. Run, 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 drop it. Keep going, keep going! What'd you say? He broke the pull cord.
Tell me you got this on camera.
Yeah, I filmed it after you turned it off, dummy.
Well, whatever. You see what he was trying to do? He's trying to hold me right here.
I've got the power! I fucking Will Smith your ass, bitch. You tell me, buddy. You tell me. Oh, we're recording now. So we weren't recording the whole time. But yeah, we're having some fucking issues here. This thing, I know that sounds familiar, doesn't it? Seb, tell us what's going on.
Full cord snap, bud.
Full cord snap. This is a beauty spot right here. I need a piss, so I might as well turn this camera off. Alright, piss is over. It's a beauty spot right here. Oh, that sounds like Geo's out there. That's alright. It's nice. All the sand. It's a beauty spot. I'm gonna chill here and enjoy this moment. All right, had a nice little break over here at this nice spot.
Him, so I went out fucking around. He found me. Now you find us. That's perfect. Hell yeah.
I went a totally different direction.
Yeah.
I went that way.
I went chilling by the water. I literally went by the sand beach.
I wish you were here earlier. I filled up my fucking gas tank, bud.
Yeah. I was already here. I picked up smokes. I went back and I looked for you guys.
To live in a world where you could bring your dirt bike or three-wheeler here, right? And you could just fill it up and just go about your day, man. That's how the world should be. Not just certain parts. It's bullshit.
A full case of beer back there.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, look at that.
Wu-Tang.
That's what I was just saying. Nice Wu-Tang shirt, bro. Hey, I love you, Deb. I got mad love for you. I hope you know that.
That's it. That's all she fucking wrote.
I was trying to teach you how to do it.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
All right.
Oh, sorry, I forgot my gloves.
Nice.
I'll send it.
That's cool.
I'm gonna post some pictures.
I like that. Okay.
I was trying to stop by myself. I was going too fast.
Don't you ever smack my ass.
I slapped your ass, bro.
Hey, fuck you. So much. Don't stop, don't stop. He has no brakes.
He's like, stop. Like, I got no brakes.
Yeah, but Gio, you need to learn how to go into go into fucking first gear to slow down. You could have slowed down way easier if you're a better driver.
Honestly, I'm low on oil, so I'm not trying to fucking be hard on the...
I'm getting whipped.
Oh, dude, I can feel
I'm bleeding from it.
Look,
Yeah.
Oh, I can only imagine.
No, there's the trail back there I wanted to turn on too. It was like, that's not climb.
Dope spot.
It doesn't get much farther than that. It's just pure bush there, but yeah, it's like a sick little view here.
Yeah, man.
The trail's kind of fun.
That's sweet.
Yeah.
That was super good. I love that. That was a sick, like, enduro style for the.
I like it, yeah.
It's a lot different, man. It's fucking leaning.
Yeah, a lot of leaning.
Oh yeah, that was fun.
I told myself, it just might fucking flip, so I'm letting it go.
I know, I came up there, I'm like, this is kind of fun. Yeah, like, just a short little fucking...
You damn fucking right, I'm thirsty for beer. Alright, well, I don't know what kind of footage we got, but we got a little bit of footage. Maybe we got some decent rips, make a video for you guys, show you how the weekend went.
I'm like, I don't know if it's like, especially yours.
Fucking cheers, buddy.
Oh yeah, man.
Cheers, brother.
Oh, there goes my helmet.
What's the protecting here?
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hit the share button. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Let's go.
Foot there for a second, but hey, relax.
With this amount of pressure. Oh, yeah.